So, you feel bored and want to draw something? We can make it you're better at drawing. Let's begin with drawing a pose. As you can see right here, I'm using Leon S. Kennedy from Resident Evil 4 as a reference for my pose. And the character is Brea from Parasite. If you know who she is and what game she's from, you would be old enough because it's an old school game and it's really awesome. And I sure do hope one day it will get a remake because it's so underrated for a survival horror game. Come on, make it happen. Okay, and then move on to other things. Now that we've got the sketch right here, let's do the line art for the drawing. Draw the eyes, eyelash, and of course pupil, and eyelids, and the nose right here and there. Now that's all done with the face. Let's get into the hair. You can follow the sketch right there. You simply just tracing the sketch you've made before. Next is redraw the body using your sketch. You can just simply follow your line art, and always take your time. Take your time in drawing. Just don't get in rush, because you can rush an art. As those people say, you can truly rush an art. Okay, now that I've done, let's continue by add wrinkles for the clothes. Right here and there. Now add the color for your drawing right here. You can simply using paint bucket tool to make it easier, simple, and fast. And let's begin with shading this part of the neck. Just add a couple shadows and below the mouth and the shadow right here. And shade the lips, make it sexy, oh yeah baby, and make it juicy just like Colin said. Now time to make it look more sexy. Now let's shade the eyes. Just use the same fundamentals using paint bucket tools and shade a couple here and there. A little bit light reflecting on the eyes and a darken on the upside, and a shadow below the eyebrows. Right, now let's shade the hair. It should be simply enough if you just make it a little bit darker than your base color. Alright, now it's done. Just add a few couple more around this, and there you go. shade the wrinkles of the clothes. Now soften your shade right here. And then it's all done. Just erase a couple of more wrinkles so it will be look aesthetic. Soften your shade. Now let's shade this part of the hair with a darker color. As you can see right here, it's a little bit more dark than the base color and the base shadow. And don't forget everyone to use fingertip function. You can simply pressing J. It's use I'm sorry but I can't explain it. I don't know how to explain it. But you can try it right away and you will know what I'm talking about and what it's used for. That's it for today's video. Be sure to check on my patreon.com and I'll see you on the next video when this drawing is finished. So, hello, how are you? I'm under the water. Please subscribe, there's too much raining. Ooh.